Life is full of choices, and each decision you make shapes the path you take and the person you become. From choosing a career to deciding where to live, the decisions we make can feel scary, especially in our 20s and 30s when the stakes seem higher than ever. But don't be afraid. Making choices doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right mindset and strategies, you can become more confident in making decisions. Today we will explore 5 simple yet powerful strategies for making decisions. 1. Define your values and priorities. At the heart of every decision lies a set of values and priorities that guide our choices. Take some time to reflect on what matters most to you in life. What are your core values? What are your long-term goals and aspirations? By clarifying what's important to you, you'll gain clarity and direction when faced with choices. 2. Consider the consequences of inaction. Before procrastination sets in, consider the consequences of not making a decision. What opportunities might you miss out on? What risks are involved in delaying action? By recognizing the cost of inaction, you'll feel more motivated to make choices that align with your goals and aspirations. 3. Trust your intuition and gut feeling. Pay attention to your gut feelings and inner voice when making decisions. What does your intuition tell you? Does a certain option resonate with you on a deeper level? Trusting your intuition can often lead you to choices that feel authentic and aligned with your true self.
By the way, did you know that my goal is to grow this channel so more people will be able to create a happier and healthier life? So please click the like button on this video. It will only take 2 seconds, but it means a lot to me.
4. Seek advice and gather information. Seek advice and gather information to enrich your decision-making process. Reach out to friends, family, mentors, or experts who can offer guidance and perspective on your decision. Additionally, do your own research and gather information to inform your choice. Knowledge is power, and the more informed you are, the better equipped you'll be to make wise decisions. 5. Embrace imperfection and learn from mistakes. No decision is ever perfect, and mistakes will happen along the way. Instead of striving for perfection, embrace imperfection as a natural part of the decision-making process. Be open to taking risks and learning from your mistakes. Every choice, whether successful or not, offers an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. Making choices is a fundamental aspect of life, and with the right approach, it can be a source of personal growth. By defining your values, considering the consequences of inaction, trusting your intuition, seeking advice, and embracing imperfection, you can navigate life's crossroads with confidence and clarity. Remember, each choice you make is a step forward on your unique path towards fulfillment and happiness. See you in the next video.